The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the following Pennsylvania counties: Indiana and Westmoreland, effective until 1:49 p.m. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for East Central Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southern Indiana County in west central Pennsylvania, until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Derry, or near Latrobe, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Homer City, McChesney Town, Loyal Hanna, Blairsville, Derry, Blacklick, New Florence, New Alexandria, Seward, Bolivar, Armagh, Lucerne Mines, Brushville, Loyal Hanna Gorge, and Yellow Creek State Park. Precautionary/preparedness actions: move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Or make a generous